You know, this life of leisure is wearing me down. What I need is a vacation. Hello? Travel agency? I'd like to book a vacation, preferably somewhere warm. I've saved my whole life for this trip, so money is no object. You heard me. A nice long holiday.
What a swell setup. Hello, friend. You look like you could use a vacation.
Who are you?
Boit Buzzy, traveling vacation salesman. Glad to know you, chum. Glad to know ya. Yes, sir. You have just won a free vacation to the Joyman Polynesian Islands. With a one-time processing fee of $5,000, you will be well on your way to the island vacation of your dreams.
German Polynesian, eh? Well, how come I never heard of them?
Why, that's because, it's an island and they don't have any phones. It keeps away the riffraff.
How quaintly rustic. Well, I have to think about it.
There'll be girls, sport.
Aw, go on with you.
Not just any girls, chum. Hula frows.
Hula frows? What's a hula frow?
There's just the business of the $5 grand. Then you're good to go.
Hula frows, here I come.
Okay, let's get this crate off the ground.
Hey!
Please don't annoy the pilot during takeoff.
This I gotta see.
Contact. Buzz to ground control. We are experiencing turbulence. Mayday! Mayday! Geronimo! Aloha, mein Liebling. Join us now for thrilling tropical high dive spearfishing in our exotic fish tank. So long, sucker!
Look what I caught!
Oh, swell. And guess what? For $100 more, those can be cooked up in a customized culinary concoction by our very own chef, F.E. New.
Chef F.E. New?
Yeah, if he knew you were coming, he'd have baked a cake.
Hey, you! Where's this so-called luau?
What luau?
This luau!
The one with the hula frows. Right this way, my good fella. Hula frows. So long, sap. Nah, that's silly.
Surf's up, Wahine Schnitzels! More ice! More ice, man! Where do you keep the ice? Rocky pineapple! Yes?
What's going on in there?
Sorry, invitation only. Oh boy! The song, the thrills, the hula frows. What a luau! And I owe it all to you, pal. This is the best vacation I've ever had in my life.
Wait a minute. There ain't no luau. There ain't no vacation. And I'll prove it.
But
Woohoo!
hey, let me back in.
Beat it! I'm taking over this vacation.
Oh, yeah? Well, I paid for it.
There's your money back. Deal's off. Now get lost.
I'll report you to the German Polynesian Travel Bureau.
German Polynesian? You go ahead and do that, chum. I made it all up. There ain't no such a thing.
Hello, German Polynesian Travel Bureau? I'd like to report someone.
Yow!
Yeah, some buzzard tried to sell me a scam vacation.
Hula froze, here I come. Crowbar, Jack, the dynamite. What am I gonna get next?
How about 5 to 10 in the pokey?
No!